Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Rajshri Gunraj, and today I'm going to start a new series on my channel namely Book Rag. So this is going to be all about book reviews and recommendations. If you have any book either to recommend or just to get reviewed, drop that into comment section and I'll be really overwhelmed to look after them. So without any further ado, let's just dive into today's book. Alright, the book that I have with me today is Siddhartha by Hermann Hesse. I know the titles and author name is reversed. I'm going to flash for you people somewhere on the screen. So Siddhartha isn't about Gautam Buddha, yet it was written during the time when Gautam Buddha's teachings were going gaga all over the world. So when coming to the Siddhartha, it's a memoir of a young Brahmin boy called Siddhartha. So now let's just try to get into some insights and imperative characters. So we have 6 imperative characters in this book. Initially, we have Siddhartha being the protagonist of the story. Then we have a chaddi buddy friend of Siddhartha, who is Govinda. Then we have Kamala being lover of Siddhartha. Then we have Kamaswami, who is a merchant. Then we have a ferryman, who is Vasudeva. Lastly, we have an immortal friend of Siddhartha, which is Shiva. My successor review of this book is Siddhartha being a Brahmin boy. He's in a spiritual cruise of life, is trying to assimilate the ultimate enlightenment and meaning of life through being in multitude characters, meeting multitudes of people, and understanding what it is actually, and eventually associating with nature. So what I have understood or comprehended through this book. Now let's try to get into the synopsis given at the back of book. I'll read it out. So Siddhartha is a novel by Hermann Hesse that deals with the spiritual journey of a boy known as Siddhartha from the Indian subcontinent during the time of Lord Buddha. In a simple prose, Hesse has conveyed a very profound meaning for all seekers. A Brahmin boy follows his heart and goes through various lives to finally understand what it means to be enlightened. He experiences life as a pious Brahmin, a samana, a rich merchant, a lover, an ordinary fair man to a father. Neither a practitioner nor a devotee, neither meditating nor reciting. Siddhartha comes to blend with the world, resonating with the rhythms of nature, bending the reader's ears down to hear the answers from the river. I mean, such a beautiful lines to be, putting into a synopsis, and I think the synopsis took my heart. And initially I thought this was the book like a normal monkish book, an experience of a boy known as Siddhartha, but it is more than that, understanding life's ultimate meaning through individuals' journeys, experience. And it's a very, 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 easily read book. If you are novice and you are starting to read books, and I think this is the one to begin with. It is not that hard to read, but if you have any problem while reading the book, just keep the Google Baba beside you and it's gonna help you people.